Hello again. Today's quick tip will be on how to remove excess floor wax. Here's what you will need: a bucket, 6 cups of really warm water, 1 tablespoon of cream of tartar, 1 cup of vinegar, and 2 microfiber cloths. Mix ingredients till blended in bucket. Soak and wring out 1 microfiber cloth till it is very moist but not dripping. Then with circular motions go over the excessive wax area. Then with the dry cloth in the opposite direction, again clean in circular motions. Just like Mr. Miyagi says, wax on, wax off. Thanks for stopping by and hanging out with Long Island's home cleaning experts, Teresa's Family Cleaning. We hope these tips help to keep your home clean.